In third place, it's the BMW M3. Now, the previous version of this car was seen more as a transport of estate agents and mobile phone salesmen than racing drivers. But this, the third version, has put the M3 firmly back in the ranks of the all-time great performance cars. The straight-six engine produces nearly 350 horsepower, which will get the 3 Series to 60 in 4.8 seconds. And as the M3 now comes with traction control, it's performance that all standards of drivers can enjoy. One of the greatest features of the M3 is that it's at home around town as much as it is on the racetrack, so there's no excuse for not getting to the shops before they close. In second place, we have one of the most famous performance cars of all time, the Porsche 911 Turbo. The only way to describe the 911's performance is earth-shattering. 0 to 60 in 4.2 seconds and a top speed of 190 miles per hour puts it way up there in the supercar league. But in first place is the performance car that cost the same as a family runabout, the Mitsubishi Evo 7. This is as close to a road-legal rally car as you're gonna get. Get behind the wheel of one of these and you'll be blown away by the performance. 0 to 60 in little over 5 seconds from 2-litre engine, which pumps out 276 horsepower. The secret? Turbochargers. For a corner-to-corner car, you won't get much quicker, but unlike many cars with this kind of speed, the Evo is a doddle to drive. Light clutch, good braking, and a smooth gear change, so you don't need to work out in the gym to use it. If you ever get the opportunity to have a drive in one, you won't be disappointed by the pace.